एक ऐसा मैच जिसने पाकिस्तान की बैटिंग को एक्सपोज करके रख दिया। पाकिस्तान का पूरा बैटिंग लाइनअप ताश के पत्तों की तरह बिखर गए इंडियन बॉलिंग के सामने। पर पाकिस्तान के लो टोटल को अचीव करने के लिए जब इंडियन बैटिंग की बारी आई तो उनका नजारा भी कुछ ऐसा था। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान एशिया कप के 4th मैच के बारे में, जो कि 2016 के अंदर खेला गया था।
और ये स्टैंडर्ड यॉर्कर।
टूर्नामेंट के अंदर पाकिस्तान की कप्तान अफरीदी और इंडिया के कप्तान MS धोनी के हाथों में थी। मैच शुरू होता है और पाकिस्तान की तरफ से ओपनिंग करने आते हैं मोहम्मद हाफिज और शारजील खान।
Sumptuous. Really was a delightful drive square through the onside. I think your next job is a more important one.
आशीष नेहरा पहले ही ओवर के अंदर मोहम्मद हाफिज को आउट करके चौके का बदला निकाल लेते हैं।
Good bounce for Ashish Nehra. BBS Lakman was talking about how he's giving Dhoni the wickets he needed at the top of the order. And ball through the pad as it passed. Right, he's gone through the first big bludgeon shot of the day. This set himself up. Right, Sharjeel. This is Jasprit Bumrah. Oh, it's a good shot there. Powerful through the onside, but hit really straight. The electric, Sharjeel Khan. Oh, it's taken.
इंडिया को दूसरी सफलता बुमराह दिलाते हैं शारजील खान का कैच रहाणे के हाथों में थमाकर।
It's come back by Jasprit Bumrah. This is what Ramesh was referring to a little while back. See off this new ball. India have struck not once but twice with it now. Sharjeel Khan after a couple of good shots. Bounce again was a brave ball to bowl. Oh, it's a good shot. Just got a bit of width. There's a great example of that. Little pause from the striker. Such a big shot. Oh, it's gone through him. Now can they take a second here? Shoaib Malik calls the younger man back. Very athletic and fit Shoaib.
Was 142 and the one got him out was 110.
The ball gone up in appeal. Not out, says the umpire. Dhoni was up straight away. Ashish Nehra didn't even feel the need to appeal. He was sharp.
क्रिकेट का वो दौर था जहाँ पे अभी तक DRS नहीं आया था और पाकिस्तान को जीवन दान मिल जाता है।
What happened? Have a listen. There's clearly a sound. Clearly a glove there. Full house here, but I think he's misread that one. He's absolutely
और कमेंट से बताओ यहाँ पे विराट कोहली ने क्या बोला।
misread that one, the umpire. Missed 2 overs. He's only going to bowl 1 after this one. Fine down the leg side for 4. He's a canny player, this Shoaib Malik.
MS धोनी उस ओवर के बीच में अंपायर से जाके बात भी करते हैं विकेट के बारे में।
Did warn Virat Kohli, hence the reaction from MS. Ball again for a long time, so you can see them out. No trouble at the non-striker, then directed and there's a run out. Virat Kohli, what a fielder!
कोहली के तेज तर्रार थ्रो के कारण खुरम मंजूर ड्रेसिंग रूम को मंजूर हो जाते हैं।
Just wonder if Shoaib Malik is called and sent him back. Pakistan and Khurram Manzoor has gone for 10. It's 32 for 3.
Super piece of fielding from Virat Kohli. Sohail Madabi.
Shoaib Malik.
The Pakistani batting lineup.
Why is it wicket number 4 yet?
पाकिस्तान तीसरे विकेट से उभर पाता है, उससे पहले ही हार्दिक पांड्या एक विकेट और गिरा देते हैं और शोएब मलिक जैसा बड़ा झटका लगता है पाकिस्तान को।
Huge wicket. Shoaib Malik, the most experienced T20 batsman in that Pakistani side, has to go. MS Dhoni. Shoaib Malik gone for 4. It's 35 for 4.
New batsman in.
Oh, that could be close. Yuvraj Singh gets a wicket in the very
युवराज सिंह उमर अकमल को चलता कर देते हैं और पाकिस्तान का स्कोर अब 35 पर 5 हो जाता है।
huge wicket. Yuvraj Singh brought into the attack, does the trick. 35 for first. Umar Akmal gone for 3.
At that bit. That's hit behind
that's
point. That's gone away for 4. Well hit there, but these two guys have got to make a big score. They really do. It's up to these two guys getting a partnership. They're looking for 2 and they're in a bit.
पाकिस्तान का अगला विकेट का कारण बनता है पाकिस्तान की शानदार रनिंग।
The treble! Oh, is he gone? Oh my word! What is happening here in Dhaka?
Oh, he's
ऐसे ये पाकिस्तान के कप्तान साहब थे, आंख बंद करके दौड़ रहा होगा।
gone. He is gone. Goes for 2. Glove speed is not going to let that one go.
Thought Dhoni gave him a wave goodbye there to the skipper.
That's spaced in the gap. No, got Jadeja there. He wants it to Riaz. Oh, three at the wrong end.
पाकिस्तानी प्लेयर के बीच की मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग इस मैच में भी अव्वल नंबर पर थी।
I don't know whether any of the fielders called for the right end there. There's a lot of hesitation. This has got to stop. This is schoolboy stuff, really.
And before Ashwin.
It's a quicker delivery and gone. The finger is raised. Another one bites the
आप रियाज को चलता करते हैं जडेजा।
dust. Well, he was looking to hit it hard. And the fans are disappointed. What is happening? Casualty is Wahab Riaz, gone for 4.
Oh, if he missed.
Oh, that's delicate. That's subtle and beautifully done. Made good use of the pace of the ball, and Jadeja just a little bit stunned there. Out of the skins really to get there. Big shot into the gap. He likes that area. Muscles it into the fence.
बॉल पर जडेजा पाकिस्तान के हाईएस्ट स्कोरर को आउट कर देते हैं। पूरे 25 रन बनाए थे सरफराज ने।
Well, here's another one. Batting so well was Sarfaraz. Just about to tell you what a calm head he's got on his shoulders. And Sarfaraz is gone to Jadeja. Absolute biggie. Sarfaraz, but Virat Kohli was excellent as well with that run out. Right, he's connected on that one and connected well enough. One bounce for 4, and Mohammad Sami has straight away changed his approach to playing the slider. Oh, it's missed everything. These are cheap runs. India held on to the reins of this match really well, and that's suddenly 9 runs. That's a big bonus. Right, now that is where the ball has gone, exactly where the fielder was moved. Raina completes the catch. Moved it exactly the previous ball. Pandya has delivered the ball, the captain's asked of him, and Sami has played the shot the captain wanted the Pakistan batsman to play straight into the hands of Suresh Raina. Thought he'd take a chance.
पाकिस्तान का 9वां विकेट मोहम्मद शमी के रूप में गिरता है और पांड्या की गेंद पर रैना शानदार कैच लेते हैं।
Bouncer gone for it.
Completely outdone Pakistan in all formats of the game. And that
पांड्या मोहम्मद आमिर की भी गिल्लियां बिखेर देते हैं।
absolute jackpot. What an innings that was for this.
नंबर 1 टीम 83 रनों पर ऑल आउट हो जाती है अपने नंबर 1 बैट्समैन के साथ और इंडिया को मिलता है 84 रनों का टारगेट।
Playing their entire quota of 20.
Piece for 4. Ashwin did as well.
इंडिया की तरफ से ओपनिंग करने आते हैं अजिंक्य रहाणे और रोहित शर्मा।
First ball, Mohammad Amir. Oh, that's worth the shout. That's got to be really close. Oh my dearie. Oh, they can't believe that's out. Why? Well, I thought that is just plum. Did he hit it? Shade Afridi asking, why isn't it out, sir? Look, this looked absolutely dead. Did he hit it? Oh, hit him
इस जीवनदान का फायदा रोहित शर्मा को बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिलता है।
right on the toe. The only question mark is that did he hit him just outside the line? The swing here for Amir, good pace. Oh, and there's another shout. Did he hit that? He has it. Oh, that's the start the Pakistanis wanted. Wow, that's all happening here, VVS.
अमित आमिर रोहित शर्मा को 0 रन पर आउट कर देते हैं और इंडिया का स्कोर 0 पर 1 हो जाता है।
The man in form. Boy, what a start.
In runs straight away. What a start here for the Pakistanis. Now let's have a look at here. Pitch is on. Oh, you just have to give that. Might have just got outside the line, but I think it was out. Oh, that's worth a shout too. That's worth a shout too. There's another one.
मोहम्मद आमिर अजिंक्य रहाणे को 0 पर आउट कर देते हैं और लग रहा था कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान से खराब खेलने की शर्त लगा के आया है।
Oh, the green team. Pakistan. 2 big wickets.
It's not over as yet. Goes without bothering the scorer.
Mohammad Amir. Oh, beauty. Oh, the crowd now. They're on the edge of their seats here.
He said him clicks an iron. Let's have a look at that again. Impact now was well within the stumps.
Elation. What an over. What a start for Pakistan. It's 2 for 2.
पहले ही ओवर के अंदर इंडिया 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर 2 रन बनाता है।
A little work on the leg side, the experience there showing. Looking for 2, and that's the shot. Wahab Riaz. So, Suresh Raina. Oh, good running, good backing up. Quite happy to get off the mark as well. Oh, there's a shout again. Is he? Oh, it's happening here. Let me tell you, did he get it?
पाकिस्तान हर बॉल पर अपील करके इंडिया पे दबाव बना रहा था।
An edge on it. No, he didn't. Outside off stump. Now, let's have a look what Hawkeye says. Oh, yep. Just hitting the spigot in the barrel of the bail. In the air. Oh, there's number three. Oh, there's number three. Pakistan are back in this game.
मोहम्मद आमिर सुरेश रैना को चलता कर देते हैं और इंडिया का स्कोर 8 पर 3 हो जाता है।
Suresh Raina.
Well, Suresh Raina goes for one. Can he get it full and straight? Oh, my word. How has that not hit the stumps? That is a courageous leave. What can he do here? Oh, magnificent shot. Yuvraj. First boundary of the innings. Must break these two experienced pair up. Oh, that's a wonderful, what we call a sniff. Oh, he's bouncing, and that is gone miles over the top of the wicket-keeper. He's nice and straight. Outside edge, where's that second slip? That's for sure. Again, beautifully
यहाँ पर पाकिस्तानी टीम का टारगेट इंडियन प्लेयर्स की जगह अंपायर हो जाते हैं।
played.
Oh, what was that? That's the umpire.
Don't hit him, he's just given you 2 LBWs. Why would you do that? He's thrown the ball straight in and the umpire's worn it right on the shin. He's just given you 2 LBWs. What are you doing?
Having a laugh as well.
Well, we've got to start to wear pads and thigh pads, the umpires now. Trying to change up the line. Beautifully bowled again. On a wonderful line of length. Terrific over. It's 20 for 3. Oh, he's just not there, is he? He's nipping around, and I just wonder when he hit the top of off. Better length. That's where he needs to bowl. Right there, and just be patient.
So Amir will bowl the fourth after all. It's a big call from the captain to bowl out.
कोहली और युवराज गिरते विकेटों को तो रोक लेते हैं, पर इंडिया पे दबाव अभी भी था।
Jinky Rahane. Oh, was in the air. It's just those little things that you need as a side. So one from Yuvraj a little while ago. Now this one from Virat Kohli. Still a slip in the gully. Oh, that is the shot of the day. The shot, call it what you will. This is gorgeous. This is the kind of shot you see and you stand up and forget what you're doing.
Wonderfully coming into that spearhead role of Pakistan.
Oh, put down. And will go for 4. Didn't go to ground first though, but he certainly had Virat Kohli in trouble there. Batting 18. Shot for 4. Just a little bit of width. Gee, Virat Kohli is bouncing on those. Ball from a straight spinner. And that's in the gap too. Tell you what, we were going gaga over Mohammad Amir's bowling about half an hour ago.
Have pressure on you and on the team.
And that's in the gap as well. Gee, it's almost like he chose it. This is the over that finishes it all.
There, Adelaide 90, not out in just 55 balls, 59 in Melbourne in 33 balls, and Sydney 50 of just 36 balls. Then risk.
And now the left-hander. Every one of them, they just come in and bowl quick. What do they say in Pakistan? Pace is pace, yeah. Comes back Wahab Riaz, round the wicket. Oh dear, no ball. So Yuvraj gets to play the free hit. First over for 15, he starts with a no ball. I think he'll go short. Neither. Got away with it. He got away with it.
Well, that through point for 4.
No, he thought there was more bounce on it. There wasn't. Sami. Oh, that's what they want more of. Kohli's confidence dragging him into playing that shot. Enjoyed some wonderful cricket. That's in the gap too. And we'll run away for 4. When I said wonderful cricket, that's what I meant.
It was bowler friendly.
Now Yuvraj. Oh, playing a miss as well. Still flirting with possibility.
जैसे जैसे पार्टनरशिप बड़ी हो रही थी, पाकिस्तानी प्लेयर्स की बॉडी लैंग्वेज गिर रही थी।
Here, Pakistan. No ball. Once again, Yuvraj gets to play the free hit. Oh, he's helping his partner, isn't he? Here.
To look to hoik it away on the leg side now. So if he's starting to set up there, well, let him have one. If I was Irfan, sniff him, give him one at his head.
Doesn't matter. As it turns out, it falls well short of the fielder.
अब इंडिया से हटकर पाकिस्तान के बॉलर्स और फील्डर पे देखने को मिल रहा था।
He was saying, go for it, go for it.
How did it happen then?
Wow. We keep showing that on drive as its area of strength. Is there a better player of the cover drive at the moment?
The length to him.
Oh, it's still something in there. Still spicing it up. The ship from the storm into calm waters. I think there's a bit of an inside edge on that. Up goes the finger. I thought I heard it.
मोहम्मद शमी विराट कोहली को आउट कर देते हैं और भले ही विराट कोहली अपने अर्धशतक से चूक जाएं, पर इंडिया को ऐसी स्थिति में छोड़ चुके थे जहां से इंडिया की जीत अब तय थी।
Sound. Virat Kohli is distraught, but he'll still have to go. He's 49. He'll look back at the end of his career and say, of all the many innings I've played, I'll remember this one with great warmth.
So what a knock. 49 from just 51 balls. Definitely got an edge. 2 sounds. Did hit him high. It showed him the bat as well. He can't believe he's been given out. He's got a smile on his face.
Oh, there's an edge. And taken. Another one goes. Just 8 needed, but Pakistan keep chipping away. Mohammad Sami gets another.
Anyway, Pandya goes for a duck.
The rest.
Yeah, I do my own fielding myself in context.
यहाँ पर MS धोनी थप्पड़ वाला शॉट लगाकर इंडिया को जिता देते हैं।
That there is no doubt. Smashes that. Once again, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is there at the end. And India complete a famous win.
शॉट पसंद आया तो आप लाइक ठोक के जाना, सब्सक्राइब भी करके जाना। चैनल को सब्सक्राइबर बहुत कम है हमारे। और अगर आपको देखना है इंडिया और वर्सेस पाकिस्तान का वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल जो कि 2007 में खेला गया, तो आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करके देख सकते हो। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, सायोनारा।
Not a ranker on the field. That was very good to see actually. Virat Kohli and Mohammad Amir has come out.